In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Figma page from one file to another. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So moving pages in Figma can be really handy when you want to reorganize your designs or consolidate your work. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. First things first, make sure you've got Figma open and your design file ready. If you haven't already, navigate to your design in Figma. So open the page that contains the designs you want to move. This is step 1. Simply access your design by selecting it from the dashboard or your projects. Once you're in your design file, let's move on to step 2. Here, you're going to need to select everything you want to copy. To do this efficiently, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard if you're using Windows or Command-A if you're on a Mac. This command selects all the elements on the page. After you have everything selected, the next thing you'll want to do is copy them. So, without lifting your fingers off the keyboard, simply press Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy all those selected items. Now that you've got your designs copied, let's head to step 3. You need to open the target file where you'd like to move your page elements. Once you're in this new file, take a look at the pages on the left side of the screen. Click on the page where you want your copied elements to appear. It could be an existing page or a new one you've just created. It's completely up to you. When you're ready, we'll move to the final step. In this step, all you have to do is paste your copied designs into the new page. So go ahead and press Ctrl-V or Command-V on your keyboard. This will paste all the elements you copied from the previous file directly onto the selected page in your current file. Voila, they've moved. If necessary, you might want to adjust the positioning of the pasted elements to make sure they fit seamlessly into your new layout. You've successfully moved a Figma page from one